Diddy beat up prosecutor in court. Huge fight brawls in his first court hearing. Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into an explosive story that's making waves in the entertainment world. We're talking about none other than Sean Diddy Combs and an unexpected turn of events during his first court hearing. Before we get into the juicy details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends. You don't want to miss out on any of the action now. Let's set the scene. Diddy, the iconic music mogul known for his chart-topping hits and larger-than-life persona, found himself in a courtroom that became the backdrop for what can only be described as a high-stakes drama. The air was thick with tension, and the stakes were sky-high as Diddy faced off against prosecutors in a case that had been building for months. As the proceedings began, the atmosphere was electric. Diddy, dressed sharply in a tailored suit, exuded confidence. His legal team surrounded him, ready to tackle whatever challenges lay ahead. But little did anyone know, this would be no ordinary court hearing. Tensions escalated quickly, and before anyone could catch their breath, chaos erupted. The courtroom was packed with reporters, curious fans, and onlookers all eager to witness the drama unfold. The judge, trying to maintain order, called for silence as the prosecutor laid out the charges against Diddy. But what followed was nothing short of astonishing. During a heated exchange, words turned into shoves, and suddenly, a physical altercation broke out right before everyone's eyes. Witnesses reported that the prosecutor, perhaps feeling emboldened by the gravity of the situation, made a provocative statement aimed directly at Diddy. It was a moment that ignited the courtroom. Diddy, known for his quick temper, reacted instinctively. In a split second, he lunged towards the prosecutor, and chaos ensued. The courtroom erupted into pandemonium as attorneys scrambled to separate the two. This wasn't just a scuffle, it was a full-blown brawl. Spectators gasped as they witnessed this surreal moment. Security rushed in, trying to restore order amid the shouting and chaos. Cameras clicked furiously, capturing every sensational moment. The judge banged the gavel in a desperate attempt to regain control, but the atmosphere was already charged with adrenaline. As the dust began to settle, the implications of what had just occurred started to sink in. Diddy, who had always been a master of reinvention and publicity, found himself at the center of yet another media storm. This incident not only raised eyebrows, but also questioned the decorum expected in a courtroom. Social media exploded with reactions. Fans and critics alike to platforms like Twitter and Instagram to share their thoughts. Memes flooded the internet, and hashtags like Diddy Court Brawl began trending instantly. The public was captivated by the sheer audacity of what had happened. It was as if they were witnessing a scene from a Hollywood movie, but this was all too real. In the aftermath of the altercation, legal experts weighed in on the potential consequences for Diddy. Some speculated that this could complicate his case significantly. Legal analysts pointed out that courtroom decorum is crucial, and any breach of that could lead to harsher penalties or even more serious charges. Diddy's team scrambled to contain the fallout while strategizing their next move. The media was relentless, with outlets clamoring for exclusive interviews and inside scoops. Diddy's publicist was put on high alert, trying to manage the narrative and quell any further drama. But the intrigue only deepened, drawing in more viewers and listeners. Everyone wanted to know, what's next for Diddy? How would this impact his career, and could he bounce back from such a public spectacle? As the days followed, the courtroom drama continued to unfold. Diddy's legal team issued statements, emphasizing their commitment to fighting the charges. They framed the altercation as an emotional reaction to what they deemed an unjust prosecution. Meanwhile, the prosecutor's office maintained their stance, insisting that the law must be upheld regardless of celebrity status. This situation also raised broader discussions about fame, power, and accountability. Many viewers reflected on how public figures often operate under a different set of rules, and this incident brought those dynamics to the forefront. The conversation shifted from just Diddy's actions to the implications of celebrity in the justice system. In the wake of the brawl, fans rallied around Diddy, expressing their support on social media. Some pointed out that this incident could be a turning point for him, a moment that could either elevate his status or lead to his downfall. The duality of public opinion was fascinating to observe. While some condemned his actions, others celebrated his fiery spirit. As we wrap up this wild story, the implications of Diddy's courtroom brawl are still reverberating through the media landscape. What does this mean for his future? Will he be able to salvage his reputation and career, or will this incident haunt him for years to come? It's a captivating saga that's only just begun. So, if you're as intrigued by this story as we are, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates on this developing situation, and share this video with your friends. We'll be keeping a close eye on all the twists and turns in Diddy's legal battle, and you won't want to miss a single moment. Thanks for joining us today, and stay tuned for more sensational stories from the world of entertainment.